I'm very playful by nature, so we do a lot of laughing while we're learning. We try to do as much hands-on, get out of our seat. I hate to sit for a long time, so I don't expect my children to sit in the seat the whole time. We're up moving. I may be old, but I can get down on the ground. I got this. My name is Lisa Brigance. I've been teaching for 23 years here in the Memphis and suburbs. It's my pleasure to teach fifth graders. It's my favorite grade to teach. I teach fifth grade math and science. So this is my niche in the world. The very first thing I learned that you don't learn in school, you can't teach them if you don't love them. And you have to find a way to love everybody that sits in your room. A lot of them, it's so easy, you don't have to work at it. And some of them you have to work a little bit harder, but not hard. Everybody has something wonderful in them. You have to figure out what they like and then plan your lessons around that. So I don't ever use lesson plans from the year before, ever. I start out every year with a blank slate, and that's how I start my year, and that's how I plan my lessons for the particular group of kids I have and for the things they like, so I can make it relevant to them. You can take any standard, anybody can go up there and teach, but it's not going to stick unless it's relevant to the children. And I'm going to make sure it's always relevant to my students. I know my gratification comes when I hear what we call air sucking. When I hear, you know they got it. That is your gratification. It doesn't take somebody saying you did a great job. It doesn't take an evaluator coming through and evaluating me. It takes the look on that child's face, or the thank you from that child, or that air sucking that I know it was worth me getting out of bed today for, because this child needed me today. So it's not always instant gratification, even though that's wonderful. Sometimes it's long term, and sometimes it's the kids you think, I didn't do enough, or I didn't reach that child. And then you find out not only did you reach them, but you made a difference. I have a passion for what I do. And my purpose in life is to make a difference on the future. And my way to do that is to reach these children, let them know I love them. I tell my students every day, as individuals, not as collective whole, I love you, have a good afternoon, lots of love to you. I want them to understand that when they walk out my door, that they are loved, and when they come back tomorrow, somebody's happy to be here to greet them at that door, because a positive attitude yields positive results. When I come to work, I know that I have fulfilled not just a job, but I've fulfilled my goal of making a difference in this world, even one person, one child, one question at a time.